Hey guys, Diecast Direct, and today we'll be reviewing the 2001 Custom Acura Integra GSR from Hot Wheels. That was one of the longest names of a Hot Wheels car I've ever said. I don't want to lie. Look at the bottom of this. Look at this. Custom 01. Oh, I could have just said 01. Would have made it so much better. Oh, Custom 01 Acura Integra GSR. That would have been it much shorter. As always, guys, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Today's goal is 4 likes. If we can hit 4 likes, that'd be just amazing. Also, remember, my 100 subscriber giveaway is this week. You gotta check that video out. First link in the description. Comment. Well, the rules are there. The rules are there. Go to the video, and the rules are there. It's so simple. 5 things, and you get a free Hot Wheels. How awesome is that? And other than that, let me stop wasting your time. Let's get into the review, and maybe that's pretty much the reason you came here. So this model is really cool for a couple different reasons. It's because they detailed pretty much everything. Let's take, so on the back, yeah, you see it says Acura. There's the logo. There's the Hot Wheel, and the back lights are detailed. That's amazing. Let's take a look at the front. Now that we've made it to the front, you can see they also detailed the lights. Not the grill though, not the grill. I wish they detailed the grill, but they detailed the lights. And look at this. This is detailed. That's crazy. I don't know where the logo is though. Don't know where the logo is. But this is awesome. They detailed pretty much everything. This is like the dream Hot Wheels. Collectors, this is definitely the car that you should have. If you don't have this, get it. Get it. Now this car in particular is really cool because it has a red interior. Check this out. Red interior. Have you ever seen a Hot Wheels car with a red interior? Other than like fantasy type of models? No, it's crazy. It's crazy the amount of detail that Hot Wheels decide to put into this. It's almost like the owner of Hot Wheels owned this car and they're like, let's make it super detailed. Another thing I love is the tires. Check them out. They're so nice, and especially got that chrome lining around them. No, not red lines. Definitely, I think red lines wouldn't look that good on this. But I guess it would match the interior. So comment below if you think that the red lines or just these normal mainline type of tires. I don't know. I don't know. Now they did add this huge body kit to the very front because that was, I know this is how the Acura Integra looks. 2001. That's fine. So definitely you can see that that's been added, and that's a nice exhaust. I like that they add exhaust to Hot Wheels, especially more of the JDM type of cars. Look at this exhaust, it's huge. Yeah, again on the bottom. Yeah, so yeah, that's can we get a yak count down there? So you can see this this was made in 2015, and they just kept reprinting it, and now there's a bunch of new models of it. That is just crazy. The spoiler is very nice, not like the picnic table we saw in yesterday's video. If you haven't seen it, second link. You gotta watch it. You gotta watch it. So we gotta do our usual roll test. I do this in every video. I don't know why, but sometimes I find some problems with it, but then it doesn't run so well, so let's try it out. Smooth. I'm not seeing any bumps here. And that's amazing. The roof would be a nice place to put something. It's just a plain white roof. The paint is also very nice. You can see it's kind of a metallic paint, just like in yesterday's video. This is a copy of yesterday's video. Second link. Check it out. You gotta check it out. And other than that, this would pretty much sum up the review of the custom 2001 Acura Integra GSR from Hot Wheels. This car looks like a super treasure from this angle. I'm not gonna lie. And now it looks like a GTR R34. That's crazy. This car looks like a lot of things. It's sort of like a Super too. Here it doesn't look like anything. But other than that, that's pretty much wraps up the review. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hit the thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button. We're almost at 200 subs. I can't believe how close we are. We're only like 50, 60, 70 away, which is crazy. As soon as we hit 200 subs, I'm doing the biggest video ever. So we gotta go get 200 subs. And remember, first link in the description, you're gonna check out the Hot Wheels giveaway. If you want some free Hot Wheels, then that's definitely the video to go to. Other than that, this would pretty much overall sum up everything we just did. Here is a couple videos that you might want to check out. In the middle, you'll see there's a subscribe icon type of button, my logo. So just click that and you'll be automatically subscribed. And other than that, I will see you in the next one. Hope you guys like this video and subscribe.